first day of LEANMAS, the Lean Squad gave to me one quick hit. Well, today is the first day of LEANMAS Squaddies. As you can see, I got all my red stuff on because it's going to be an exciting month. Instead of getting all down on ourselves about the weight we're putting on or whatever it is, all the sugary stuff we're eating, we're going to crank up the motivation. I promise this 12 minutes of Leantivity is a great way to stay energized, to get the body moving before the new year. That's the key here. So, as you can see, I've got my Christmas cartoons because Hudson's running around, so he may or may not come in here. All I've got is a mat and a little glass of water because we're going to stay hydrated, and Hudson's train right there. So you guys just literally follow along. Like I said, I'm going to post this to Facebook so you don't have to follow live every day. The whole idea is to just get this done, get the body moving. Boom, you'll be feeling way better, I promise. It's going to make a huge difference, all right? Especially if you stick with it. So all we're going to do is 2 minutes of warm-up, 10 minutes a hit, and then you guys get to enjoy the rest of your day. I got a busy day. I'm off to CBC, so this is really important that I get it done right now, and then boom, the day is mine. All right, so you guys just follow along here. 2 minute warm-up, then we'll get into the fun stuff, all right? I will change our exercise every 20 seconds, and it's just a nice, easy build-up. So you basically just follow me. Get excited because we're about to get extra lean. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So it's just nice, easy jogging on the spot. And before we get really into things, if anything bugs you, obviously don't do it. And I will try and shout out an alternative. There's always something you can do to make sure that you're pain-free. That's really important. 2, 1. We're going hamstring sweeps here. So these, stretch out the hammies. You should feel, you put your heel on the ground, you should feel in the back of your leg there. You put your butt back, wipe down the heel, and it's just a little shuffle in between. 2, and now we're going nice, easy jumping jacks. So super easy. Again, this is a warm-up. I'm gonna hop off the mat. Got my Christmas hat going, really excited. It's gonna be a big month, squaddies. An extra lean month. Keep going, 2, 1, and then we're just lunging, and then you push this hip flexor forward. You can hold that stretch, come back, stay nice and controlled here. So this is a dynamic warm-up. Hopefully your heart rate starts lifting up. Mine already is. It doesn't take a lot to lift it. And last one here, and now we're just going, a little shuffle. Again, you can see how little space I have here. You don't need a huge gym to get lean. You don't need any equipment to get lean. All right, last one. And we're going high knees now. This is the last 20 seconds. So pick it up here. Use your arms. Lift the knees up. We got 10 seconds to go. You can see my knees are coming up. Push, push, push. 2, 1. There we go. Whew. So grab a quick sip of water, okay? Quick sip of water. Hopefully my mat stays put. And we're gonna get straight in it. So today, we're going 10 minutes of full body hit, all right? And today, specifically, we're gonna do 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. So not a ton of rest, but it's gonna fly by. See, my heart rate's already up. That's what we want in the warm-up. You don't want to be all lazy. You want to be ready to go full speed come the time. So, first exercise is jumping jacks, 20 seconds. This is when the lean party really starts. 3, 2, 1, and we're going. So, nice and quick, feet out, hands above head if you can. And like I said, if this gives you any kind of pain, we can default to squats. 3, 2, 1. Whew. So on the rest, Try and stay up tall. I remember our rugby coach always used to tell us to stay up tall. Okay, next one. I don't have much time to talk. Mountain climbers, 2, 1. So, try and keep that back flat. If you struggle with these, elevate your hands on like the couch. Keep driving. It'll just let us move a little faster. And nice long range on your mountain climber. Drive the arms into the ground. 2, 1. Like I was saying, he likes us to stand up tall. Catch your breath. Okay, knee tap. So my feet are a little wider here, and I'm just going back, little rock forward. There we go. So again, this is working the core. It's always really important to incorporate these full body movements. I'm feeling my abs already. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Elbows to hand plank next. So again, we're going back to back. These are full body moves. So depending on your ability, feet nice and wide, up and controlled. Alternate hands each time. Oh man, come on. So feel it in my arms. This is a great one for toning the arms while working the core. 2, 1. Whew. So if that one's tough, widen up your feet even more. Show you a little side view here. We're going long crunches here. So just in and out. Now, if this one is tough, just go to sit-ups or flutter kicks. 10 seconds. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. So this one, always remember, an extra rep is a little more leanness, all right? A little more leanness will go a long way, and you'll feel way better when you know you've pushed it. All right, 2. So hands above head, high knees. Again, this one is working the full body. You can see my core. Whew. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Wow, stand up. In and out squat next. So I'm gonna drop below, come up high. This one hurts your knees. Squats. 2, 1. Nice and quick. So really sink, butt back, up tall in the middle. Come on. 10 seconds. 5, 2, 1. Whew. Here we go, we're getting there. Push-ups up next. So again, 20 seconds of push-ups is hard. You can do them on your knees or elevate. 2, 1. So if that's hard, on your knees, keep the elbows in tight. This will tone the arms. Still really hard. 5, come on, 2, 1. Oh no, this one's hard. All right, 6 cross body mountain climbers who drive across 6 times, and then we'll jump up. 2, 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can do one more rep. 1, 2, 6. Oh, there we go. Oh. Wow. Oh man, that one got me. 2, 1. Bicycle abs. So, elbow across to the knee. You can see my shoulders are slightly elevated. Oh, it's getting hard to stop. 3, 2, 1. All right, that's one round. Last round of the day. Back to jumping jacks. Oh, 2, 1. See how hard it is to talk? That's what we want. A lot of people come the new year, think the big difference is gonna be spending more time in the gym. And in reality, it should be less. Just being effective. 2, 1. Oh, I don't even need to go to the gym. I honestly work out way less. I honestly God, way less than when I ever played rugby. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mountain climbers, come on. This is a round. You get excited. You empty the tank. 10 seconds. Long range. You should feel this in your core. 2, 1. Oh man, knee taps. Santa hat's hot too. Whew. 3, 2, 1. Remember, rock forward. That's where we get that little extra stretch in the core. And remember, if some of these are too tough, do not worry about it. It's all about progression. It's all about finding what you can do, and then we advance through that. And that's how you keep the leanness all year round. Keep changing, keep progressing. Elbows down, blank. Whew. Keep that back flat. If you're really wiggling the hips, widen up your feet. 5, come on. 2, 1. Oh. Leg crunches. That's because when we burn all the fat, we want the abs to pop. 2, 1. So you can have the hands here or behind your back. But see, I'm extending out and up. 10 seconds. You need a break. Take the break and hop back in. 2, 1. Wow. Oh, okay. We're so close, guys. Oh. High knees plus rope punches. 2, 1. So extend the arms up, knees up. Ooh. 10 seconds. Come on. Big push. That's the sound of leanness. Every time your foot hits the ground. 2, 1. Stands me and pop out the chimney. Doing high knees and burpees this year. 2, 1. In and out squat. Remember, down, up tall. Down, feet out wide. 10 seconds. 5, 2, 1. Oh wow. Minute and a half to go. So no matter what, squad, get the extra rep out. 2, 1. Remember to keep breathing. I always need to remind myself that. Come on. 2, 1 more rep. Woo. Last minute of the day. 6 crossbody into a jump. Here we go. This one's tough. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. We can do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Last one of the day. Bicycle abs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. It's hard, but that's what makes it so rewarding. If it was easy, it wouldn't be rewarding. It won't make you feel good. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Wow. That is 10 minutes of leanness, or 12 minutes, sorry. 12 minutes of leanness, done and dusted. You guys should be proud. If you do this live, or you do it later, you gotta be proud, because that is a great way to start your day, to have activity, goes a really long way. I already feel way better. Look how sweaty I am. Breathing heavy. And that is why my body's gonna reward me. Metabolism up, mood up, energy levels up. So, thank you so much, squaddies. Day 1 of LEANMAS in the bank. Get excited, like I said, because you're gonna be rewarded. Your body's gonna be rewarding you. And you guys just made a huge step to making December lean again. So beep, bop, boop.